In this video, I'm going to teach you how to update BIOS on your ASRock B450M HDV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you general instructions on how to safely update the BIOS on any ASRock motherboard. Even though I'm going to be talking about this model specifically, it is also going to work for any other ASRock motherboard or even boards from other manufacturers. So all that you need for this is a USB drive. It doesn't need a lot of storage, only enough to hold the BIOS files, and it is recommended to format the USB flash drive before using it. So if you have any important files on it, make sure to back them up. And now, to acquire the BIOS files necessary for the update, visit the official ASRock website. So go to ASRock.com or look for your particular motherboard on Google. For this video, the B450M HDV. Once you arrive at the page for your motherboard, click on Support over here at the bottom, and then select BIOS. Now you will find the latest files available. You can compare them by dates and choose whichever one you want to use. So under Download, click Global or China if you are specifically located in China. Now you will get that warning. It is very important that you read the warning on your own time. I'm just going to speed through it because I want to showcase this very fast, but you should be aware of all of the risks of updating your BIOS. So now, like I said before, you need to load these files into the USB flash drive. So when you get the zip file containing those files, you just drag them into the USB flash drive. Of course, this is just a random other BIOS that I'm using as an example, but essentially your flash drive should contain the BIOS files like this. Usually it is going to be a single one for most models. Now, plug the USB flash drive on the back of your motherboard. Make sure that you use one of these USB ports here and restart your computer. To access the BIOS, press Delete or F2 over and over again while your computer is booting up. Then, once you are inside of the BIOS interface, what you have to do is go over to Tool. So, switch to Tool, and finally you will find Instant Flash. Click on Instant Flash, and this is going to detect the BIOS file that you've downloaded. So in this case here, the B450M HDV file for the update. So all that you have to do now is choose the update option. Let this process finish uninterrupted. It is extremely important that power is not cut out during this update process, or it could break your motherboard. I hope I was able to help you on how to update BIOS ASRock B450M HDV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.